I'm today in Ukrainian train. I'm, as you see, in compartment with, it's shaking like crazy, as you see. It's always Ukrainian train fast can be, but this is old version. This wagon was built in the Soviet Union times. So as you see, you can get this linen, you see, it's washed and clean, and also you have light here, and this is for smoke, to not smoke, like alarm against smoking. This is light, this is a shelf you can put it, and they give you even a towel. And then you can cover yourself, and it's cold with this piece of sheet. And then you can lay down and do your exercises like that. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it can fall on you. It can fall, you know, it's a small compartment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like this. Like cycling. You can do that. You can roll around like this, like that, and you can hold and do like this. Like yoga style, you know. It's very good for your health. You can climb like ninja here, and you can become ninja here, right, in the Ukrainian train. You can have this shelf. This shelf has warm woolen blankets, also some hooks to put your jackets, and what else? And the table down, and another 3 people down. It's actually, I wouldn't say it's bad, because I traveled in other European countries, and for example, other countries, I will not mention which ones, but they don't have better trains, to be honest. Some of them have like TGV in France, but it's a speed train, fast. But in Ukraine we have Intercity Plus. It's Hyundai fast train, but this one, it's like from western part I get to the central part of Ukraine, and Ukraine is big country, so it's not that bad to travel by train. It's cheap, and you can buy whole compartment here with your friends and just drink tea. Oh, by the way, if you buy a ticket, they also ask you if you want tea included in your ticket. So it's like with your linen here to sleep at night. It's very cool. You can have fun here, and you can have a lot of things here, you know. Oh, but it's shake once in a while because old rails here. But anyway, I recommend anyone who is my age or younger, try this type of train. You will love it, you know, and take your girlfriend or boyfriend for this shaky train. You will have a lot of fun. Bye.